Sales orders. Learn how to create and manage sales orders in Zoho Books to streamline your sales process. This tutorial explains how to record customer orders, convert them into invoices, and track order status efficiently. Managing sales orders helps you maintain accurate inventory, improve order fulfillment, and ensure smooth customer transactions. We'll discuss how to create sales orders. You can select sales and select sales orders. We can create sales orders from two methods. If you have creating quotations, you can convert that quotation to sales order. Next, you can directly create your sales orders by clicking this new button, and also you can convert your sales orders to invoices. Right, let's create new sales order. Select sales order by clicking this plus mark, or by clicking this new button you can create a new sales order. Select the customer. Sales order will automatically generate. You can enter reference number, sales order date. You can enter the expected shipping date and payment terms. You can select delivery method and salesperson. After that, you can select your items and you can save your sales order. So you have created sales order. After that, this is in draft mode, so you can click mark as confirmed. Then status will change to confirmed, and there are few other status closed. That is, you have created the invoice, and if you have sent via email, you can see that envelope sign sales order sent via mail. We will discuss the next method, converting from quotes. If you have already created quotations, you can convert that quote into sales order. Here you can select convert and convert to sales order, and so after you create your quotes, you need to accept that, mark as accepted. After that, you can convert to sales order. So this sales order you can check and confirm. Right. Next, you can go to reports, and you can go to inventory. From here you can view that committed stock details. From here you can view that what are the quantities and how many quantities you have committed to sell. So here the sales order number. From here you can view the committed stock details. Like that, you can create your sales orders, and you can view the sales order grid, transaction date, sales order number, reference, customer name, order status. And here you can view that if you have order status, confirm, close, draft, like that. And if you have seen this envelope sign, you can view that sales order has sent via mail. Next, you can view whether it's invoiced or not. Now, these blue color dotted ones are already invoiced, and first two not invoiced. Next, payment, pack, shift, and amount, delivery method. Those details you can view from the grid. Now, after you create the sales order, if you want, you can convert to invoice. You can select the sales order, and from here you can click this button, convert to invoice. You can check this invoice and you can create the invoice. So like that, you can convert quotes to sales order, and you can convert sales orders into invoices. From here, you can filter all invoices, draft invoices, pending approval, approved, confirm, like that. Those sales orders you can filter via filter based on the status of the sales order. And you can export these sales orders to Excel. And you can import sales orders like that. You can create your sales orders.